Alright, today we're going to talk about the YouTube TV. YouTube TV I had it for since August of 2022. For that, I do have experience with them and what I don't like about them. So here's my opinion, and in the end, I am going to hopefully show you something that you take away from it. So in our area today, as April 1st of 1101, we are talking about YouTube went up price of $72.99. Now, that being said, used to you can get $10 off for being a T-Mobile customer, and that has been gone too. And so for that, you no longer get it as well. So I do not know when will they come out new promo, but when they do come out new promo, I'm sure I'll be on top of it. But long story short, the other one I got is through different customer, because it's never under my own account. This is just under somebody else's account. As you can see, it's not my profile. So for that, I am using this as demonstration. So to me, I like YouTube a lot, as how friendly, easy they are compared to AT&T, which is Uverse. That's what this customer previously came from, and they are paying about $156 versus $72.99, which is not bad. One thing I wish YouTube will improve, that's one thing, is for people that's low income, like such as me or anybody that I know, as they cannot change the billing cycle. So to change the billing cycle, you have to personally cancel the plan, like so. Go into the plan information to make it to March 1st, April 1st, or whatever 1st, because some people does not have money end of the month, which is understandable, because that's everybody runs their own way. So also, with what I wish they have is you can change your billing cycles, which billing day, like a credit card. That would be kind of cool, but a lot of people don't like to use credit cards, so for that you can't just stake that onto the credit card, and that's not financially responsible. Or company out there should help out a little bit, but that's my opinion. Anyway, YouTube TV is one of the things that I chose because YouTube TV is a lot more user friendly on a tablet, on a mobile device, on the phone. So once you sign into your Android devices, whether it is Samsung, Motorola, you download the app, you're automatically logged into. This tablet that I demonstrate is on the Samsung Samsung 8 Tab A. So do be aware of that, and that it's automatically signed in. The other thing you notice that when I tap on one of those channels, is they want to make sure you're at home. Now, that being said, you have to enable that, and you have to be exact location. You cannot be approximate location. So that's another thing I don't like about, is you have to be exact location. So you see permission, and you go into location, you go into allow only while I'm using the app, okay? And then use precise location. You want to make sure that is toggle on. Otherwise, you run into the same issue that I'm having, because I'm setting this up for a customer over here. So you might wonder, why am I making the video? Well, because I was giving permission. So anyway, let's not do copyright, okay? So anyway, so those are my perspective. I'm not professional YouTuber. I'm not have all the gears, but this is my opinion of one thing that YouTube could improve. That was billing cycle. And also, another thing that I noticed, taking the feedback from the customer previously, is that you cannot choose what can you delete. Like after you watch a recorded show. Actually, I'm going to go to a different account to show you that. So I'm going to go to my other account to show you what's recorded. Okay. So we're going to go to the word library and record a show. Okay. So those are, we call this recording now, and then today and later. So let's go into, let's see if we can go into, okay, so let's go to here, just to the news. Alright, well, this is a little bit different than I thought. Okay, so basically you can see, I'm still learning, apparently, but, here it is. New library, here you go. Okay, here is what I want to show you. So, if you want to, once you watch one of those, you cannot just delete a specific. You have to just let it delete itself. So, but they do tell you that you watched. So that's kind of like, cool thing. But still, I would have preferred to have, people to delete the one that I watch, like they mentioned on the Uverse or AT&T Uverse. So the only way to delete the whole thing is to uncheck the mark. So make uncheck, which I don't want to. I do watch news, recorded news, so, but rest of it, they add it, so that's a test and play around with it. And this account is a demo account that I created just for demo. So let's go back to the other one and then go back into it. So basically, that's basically it. So if you have any question, don't feel hesitant to leave a comment. I'm sure somebody else will help you, because I don't know a lot about YouTube, but I do know one thing, that this is what I give it a shot at. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.